Man, and Bandits. Come on, Bandits, welcome to the stream. Glad that you guys are here. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's doing amazing. Drop those GMs in the chat if you haven't already. Just do it. Just do it. Scout that like button. It's Friday. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. We're back live at it again. We're back live at it again. Thanks for joining, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone's doing well. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are we doing right now? We're up 2K in our accounts. Hopefully we can turn that to 4K today. We'll see. I would love to see it. I would absolutely love to see it. Fed funds rate, cutting the Fed funds rate, that is just insane mode. Next week, our biggest news will be on Friday. That's the core PCE price. It is 8:30, and it is a good contender to pass any single eval on Apex uh, to get funded with one single trade. We go max contracts, one single trade. Just depends on what account you want to get. I'm using 150K accounts. I like the 150K accounts. I like the drawdown for it. I like the fact that it's 5,000 drawdowns. Right in that sweet spot for me where the drawdown's good, but not too large where it's hard to get paid out. You know what I mean, pandas? You know what I mean? There's a balance there. The 50K is like easy to get paid out, but the drawdown's very little. It's very hard to trade like comfortably with just a $2,000 drawdown. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean, pandas. Actually, is it 2,500? Is it 2,500? No, 2,500 drawdown, but the goal is 3,000. Yeah. Yeah, it's Friday already. Can you believe it? Can you absolutely believe it? It's Friday already. Friday, Friday, Friday. Back at it again here. Market's about to open. I'm just sitting on my pause. I'm gonna wait for the market to actually open here. Let's see what we have here now. La da da, la da 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 da. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, I diddly did. I may get dinged on this round on my first payouts. I might get dinged. Kath Kumar, good morning. Boo Steel, good morning. Albert Emma, good morning. TGIF. Best guess trading. 50K hard to trade with minis. Absolutely. Very difficult to trade with minis. Albert Emma says, Wild Panda, we've already made more than 2K. Yes, I did. I sure did. That's only one day of trading, making over 2,000. 2,000 times 20 is, I mean, $40,000 in one single day. How crazy is that? It's absolutely insane does that sound to you? I mean, $40,000. Roger saying, good morning. Welcome. Drop those GMs in the chat if you haven't already. We're about to get this party started. Market's about to open here. Second entry long off our trend line and 20 EMA. It's a good long trade. Well, we're going to have quite a large gap on the regular trading hours. But I'll tell you this much. Ashraf says, "Hey, good morning, Bendis. LFG. All right. Hey, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. Market's about to open in 2 minutes. Market's kind of like a little volatile right now. It's kind of flying around everywhere. I don't know what's happening. First entry off of the 20 EMA. Oh, it's a good signal bar too. I'll take it. I'll try. I'll try for a little scalpy do here. Scalpity doo doo. Market's not open yet. Ooh, I guess I got you long here. Alright, fair enough. It's 5 complete overlapping bars in a row now. If I come out break even, that might be the best case scenario at this point. I don't like 5 overlapping bars in a row. No siree. No sir dilly do Bob Green. I do not like that. We made $5, man. As green is green. We're ending the stream right now before the market even opens. We made $5. 5 times 20 is what? 5 times 20 is $100. We made $100 already, pandas. We're done for the day. We are done. Absolutely finished here. Let's just wrap it up. Let's end the stream right now. Why go on anymore? We made $5. Just loving this trend line, eh? Let's see for a second entry long, never got it. Let's see. Let's wait till market opens. Okay. Market opening. Big push down right off the bat. Big push down right off the bat. I'll tell you that much. Really big push down. What? What's going on? Looks like news just dropped. It looks like news just dropped by the way this moved. That's crazy. I don't know what's going on here. Probably new all-time highs every single day. Why not? Second entry short. Disgusting signal bar here. It's getting kind of choppy looking. Okay. I'm not interested in that. I thought we had something going on here. Something like along these lines. Good signal bar to go short now. Good signal bar to go short now, but it looks like it wants a new high. Could also. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Wow. Talk about overlapping bars right now. That's crazy. That's crazy. We're looking at triangle right now. Buy low, sell high. Second entry long, all the 2500 tick chart just triggered with that move. Yikes. Could be a big push down here. Oh man, after a couple big bear bars, you gotta just go short, eh? Or not. Jeez. Big confusion here. Slightly confused. Currently the 5 minute is like a complete doji bar. Currently the 5 minutes a complete doji. Lower high. Second entry short, where are you? Can I get a second entry short? In the his house. If we get it off our trend line. Let's dance. We're dancing here. Second entry long. Pushing up. Let's dance. Shall we dance? I'm game. Okay, pushing up. I'm game. In this trade. It was a little wonky. Come up break even. Maybe I should have. Let's get a decent push down. Let it swing. Let it swing. Let it swing. Let him cook. Let him cook. Pandas, let him cook. Ugh, took me out break even. How unfortunate. We had like how many points in the bag? 14 points in the bag. Not too shabby. 14 points in the bag. All right. Next one's gonna be a nice one. Watch. Just watch. Honestly, it looks confusing to me. New low maybe here. The 2500 tick chart looks bearish, right? We got one, two, three, four, five, six bear bars in a row. We just made a new low. Goodness gracious. Double top here. Lower highs, lower lows, double top. Right, double top here. Lower highs currently. But it's kind of like big up, big down. I don't know. Confusion. Very confusing to me. Buy low, sell high scalp. Perhaps. Perhaps. Buy low, sell high scalp. Ooh. Lower highs, lower lows. Technically. Technically, this is a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. Pandas. Today's triple witching day. I actually didn't realize that. Okay, completely overlapping bars, sitting on our pawns, even though I'm thinking going short, but completely overlapping bars. When we got like four completely overlapping bars, I'm just kind of sitting on my paws a little bit here, thinking we're turning into a trading range soon, but I could miss an opportunity here for a nice move down. I may miss one. It's not the one I would miss, it's what I would possibly lose when I'm more. Well, it's a higher priority for me. It's not what I would miss in terms of gains, it's what I would potentially lose. The probability of losing is quite large right there. 5 minute showing, completely overlapping bars. I'm pretty sure bear bar, but no follow through. Okay, coming for trend line and 20 minute first entry. Is it strong enough for me? I think it's strong enough for some people. To me, it looks more like this, something like this. Trading range. All right, I'll try here. I'm game. I'm certainly game here. I'm game. Let's try. Let's dance. Let's dance. Big bull bar anyone's high. I almost wanted to sell right there. I'm like very, very like tempted just to sell right there. Small risk. Let's try. Then come back to the bottom trading range. It's a small risk on this trade here. Yikes. Hold. Hold. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Don't even think about taking me out break even. Okay, dude. It sure dilly did take me out break even. What can you do about it? I'm $20 paying this. Green is green. In the world of trading, green is green, right, Panis? It might not be very green, but green is absolutely green. There it is. That's the move I was waiting for. And you wanted one more pullback? How disgusting is that? One more pullback. Strawberry bars anyone's low. I mean, if you give it to me, I will give it. I will take it. I will take this. I will take this. Feels like a long. Yikes, buy low, sell high scalp. That's what's happening right now. Ah, buy low, sell high scalp. Fair enough. Fair enough. If it goes down, it goes down now. I mean, it's just, what can you do about that? I'm not holding more than that. You know, I'm not holding more than that. It is what it is. Like, I'm not staying my stop loss there. That's the right stop loss for me. It's just getting diabolical right now. It's buy low, sell high scalp. Fourth pushed out, maybe the big one. Who knows? Just sitting my pause. Got really tricked right there. Really thought we had some potential to really push down. Got very tricked. I'm not sure what's happening here. I can try to scalp here, but I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Interesting. Milo still high scalp. That is the name of the game right now. Fair enough. You cannot go long here. It's Milo still high scalp. If anything, you go short here. If it does trigger the trap. Lots of overlapping bars. It triggers a trap. I'm gonna go short here, I think. Nice signal bar to go long. Actually gives a little gap here. I'm gonna try to find a nice short to take. I also high scout. I'm thinking this is gonna fail. Multiple pushes up here. Three strong bull bars. You're no longer thinking it's gonna reverse here. A little far away. GG's. Alright. Fair enough. It has decided what it wanted to do. All those overlapping bars made me think trading range. Still potential trading range that looks like this. You know what I mean, Panis? Still a trading range that could look like this. I wouldn't be surprised. Look at the 5 minute candles. It's just like completely overlapping bars. Look at that. Buy low, sell high scalp right there. Clearest example you could possibly see. We didn't even get to the top of the trading range, which is crazy right there. Ah, God, who's going short right there? Who's actually going short right there? It's actually crazy. Wow, look at this trading range. Who's actually going short right there? Doesn't even hit the top of the trading range of people. Bears are massively short there. How insane are they to do that? That's just crazy. That's how confident they are that it was going to be a buy low, sell high scalp type day. All right, another push up here. Second entry here to try to get to the top. Let's see. Second attempt to get to the top. Let's see. Not as good as the first time. Mhm. I'll try. We reversed here already. We'll reverse again, maybe. Yeah, I'll scale in. I'll scale in a little. Just trying to scalp here, right? 10 points, something along those lines. Get to the 20 MA. Come on, break even. Is it worth? Big bear bar ending on its low. Come up, break even. Is it worth? It's going to retrace a lot. Days like today, it's going to retrace a lot on days like today. Retrace so much to the point where alright, if it comes back up, call it easy peasy. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's what we're doing here. We recognize the trading range. Look at the price action. Lots overlapping bars. Completely overlapping bars, in fact. This strong bull move had no follow through whatsoever. It's so sick. Just gets reversed, gets folded. Those are signs you gotta look for to recognize what kind of market cycle we're in. We're in an absolute trading range market cycle at the moment. So I'm looking to buy low, sell high, scalp. Buy low, sell high. That means you sell near the top, you buy near the bottom. I could try to go short here to race to the bottom here. This is a risky trade though. Usually, mm, you stay away from trades like this because you're right in the middle of the trading range, so it can just be very tricky. But we have room to the bottom, maybe we can get to it. But this is not a good idea, in my opinion. Okay, no longer interested. Not sure what's happening anymore. Could go short here, maybe. Mm, mm, it's the same setup as we saw right here. Maybe I'll try. If it does come back up, might as well just take the second to short, but it does not come back up. You make 10 points there. Okay, fair enough. Look at the 5 minute candles. Completely overlapping bars. The 15-minute candle opens here, closes here. It's complete doji bar on the 15 minute. Okay. So the question is, are we gonna get back to the bottom of the trading range or we're gonna make a new trading range up here? The thing about trading range days, it's annoying because you get multiple trading ranges within trading ranges. So what trading range are you really trying to trade? It's a tough question to answer. Low or high? Again, fair enough if you're going short here. I mean, you're making money. It's 50-50 in the middle of the trading range, in my opinion. I mean, eventually probably will get to the bottom of the trading range, but when you're in the middle, it can come back up and then come back down. It can do so many things here. Yeah. Don't forget on the 5 minute or the regular trading hours, we have a gap down here. Why do I have a, that is crazy. I just had a hanging order. I just had a hanging order for this. How crazy is that? We're down 165. It's not the worst. It's not the worst. Not the worst. Buy low, sell high scalp in a obvious trading range day. So if we come back up here, the issue is now, if we go short up here, the issue is that we never got to the bottom. So showing that this bulls might have strength, it could break out. And so that's the last place you really want to be going short and scaling in, because if you're breaking out and you're trying to scale in, that is one of the worst feelings to stomach. Like it is, that is so difficult to do, especially with micros. If you're trading minis, it's hard, especially trading micros or minis. If you're trading micros, it's a lot easier to stomach, but no one has time for micros. Who has time for micros? So we're back at the top again. The issue at this point is, if you want to go short here, you would have to deal with the fact you never got to the bottom of the trading range. You never got there. So the bears are weaker. The bulls are stronger at the moment. It was all kind of messy here, though. Again, failing to reach the top of the trading range. Here we go. Maybe we might actually at the top, and it might break out here, but chances are probably not. Like probably not. I don't think it will, but we'll see. Anything can happen. I just don't think we're gonna break out here. The price action run is just too choppy. It's too choppy, too uncertain, too much battling between the bulls and bears. You do have some evidence it might break out to the upside, right? Because you never got to the bottom here. Whoa, whoa. Those sudden movements are crazy. Is it even enough though to break out? Yeah, are we gonna break out? Like I would say maybe not. Like, call me a little crazy right now. Call me a little crazy, but let's just see what happens, pandas. Call me a little crazy right now, but we're gonna just see what happens here. Call me a little crazy right now. Still think we're trading range price action. All right, no longer thinking that. We're gonna make new all-time highs soon. It looks like. Oh, hey, double top. Trading range price action. Like, don't forget, this is what we're in. The gravitational pull is strong here. Crazy, 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 crazy. Good morning, pandas. Welcome to the stream. Tell those GMs in the chat if you haven't already. Scalp that like button. Thanks for joining, everyone. The market is just absolute wild right now. New all-time high maybe here. Who knows? Possibly. New all-time high here. Quite possible. It could be with this move here. New all-time high. Okay, strong bull bars. Creating a wedge now. Wedge top. I mean, do I try Big Mama? Big Mamas have been really, really not good these days. I'll tell you that much. Really bad, actually. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Just telling you right now, this is looking so sus. This is looking so incredibly sus. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Overlapping bars. 5 overlapping bars. This is the right time to do it. Hello, Z. Thanks for joining. Let's look for 10. And we lost. I was looking for 10 points, but Big Mamas have been absolutely horrid these days. And we're dead. I tried. Big Mama's been absolutely horrid. At least it fills down here, which is nice. Still 10-point risk, right? Still risk 10 points, doesn't matter. All right. I mean, I guess I'll look for a reversal here. So you try Big Mama again? I don't know. Like the fact that we bounced to the top like that so perfectly, I just knew it wasn't that good idea. Just because always had trading range price action here. We could still be in trading range price action. Come on back down now. Eh, whatever. We tried. It's just 10 points. That was a new all-time high. Don't get me wrong. We did make a new all-time high right there. Don't get me wrong. Okay. Jeez Louise, Sean Bullbar ending on its high. Yes. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Everybody gets shamed here. All right, thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers right here. I'd be looking for a reversal here is the question instead of the big mama. Big push down. Trading range price action. Once again and again and again. It's like a long, but it's wacky looking. I see it more like this. Trading range. Buy low, sell high, scalp is the move. Could be potentially a big swing here. Let's try. Let us try. Potentially a big swing trade to the short side. Back into our trading range double top, essentially, off of the previous day's high. Could be a nice area to reverse down, especially with the trading range, especially with the price action looking like this earlier. Could be a nice place to go short. Well, let's see if we get our setup though. Fail second entry long is what I'm looking for. Yeah, I don't know. Not sure. Okay. Buy low, sell high scalp. That's what people are doing. Lots of prayers. This could be a big move. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try one time. Could be a really big move here. Could be a really nice swing. Bounce double top off the previous day's high in a trading range day. This could be a nice move to the downside. We shall see. Bar. Okay, we trigger. Could be a nice move to the downside here. I'll let it cook a little bit, I think. How much do I let this cook is the question. I'm not sure. How much do I let this cook is the question. If it reverses back up, that's stinky. Really stinky. Really stinky. I did that for the potential really big move to the downside. Trading range, back into our trading range here. Hmm, this was tough. I'll hold it for a swing. Stop loss. Hmm, everybody on there is low. It's like trickling here. It's trickling. Pops up. Hmm, that sucks. I might lose a trade now. Potentially really good trade. I could see. Maybe we could swing this. Maybe we could swing this. It's gonna be a lot of pain though. I was trying to swing this. Yeah, a lot of pain to swing this. It's a lot of pain to swing here. Look at all that pain I have to hold through. It's not worth. It's not worth. A lot of pain to hold through the swing. I don't know if it's worth. I don't know if it's worth. We can't trigger previous candles low. Can't break the previous candles low. Here we go. Could be worth the swing here. Swing trade. Swing stop loss. Hasn't broken down yet, which makes me concerned. Still haven't broken down yet. Makes me feel like it's not going to break down anymore. Then you get higher low at the bottom of the trading range. Yeah. I think I gotta get out right here. I don't think I'm holding it much further than this at this point. And unfortunate. I don't think I'm holding it higher than this at this point because if it breaks this high, it's probably looking for a new all-time high, in my opinion. Second just short could be a big push down, but to be honest, I have no clue. Okay. It gave me one more chance to get out there. One more chance to get out. We're holding, holding. Big river enters low. I should be dead here. I was thinking about maybe reversing my trade, but I should be dead here. I'm not dead here. That is crazy. I mean, that is crazy. No, if I'm not dead here, that's crazy. Pretty certain I'm dead here. Feels like I just short the bottom of this trading range now. Let's go. What is going on here? It's chop fest. That's what this is. I'm pretty sure I'm dead though. Bull bar ending near its high. It retraces back like halfway of the bull bar and kind of snaps back up. I don't know, man. This is weird. What is going on? I mean, I might as well hold. I held this much. Might as well hold to the end. I'm not sure what's happening. I might as well hold. I already held it through the worst parts of it, no? I'm not sure what's happening here. This is crazy, though. If it reverses again, then that was my chance to get out. Triple bottom. One, two, three. Triple bottom here. Mm, jeez. I'll be surprised if I survive this. If I survive this, this is really, really weird price action. Yeah, okay, there it is. If I survive this, that's really weird. I'm pretty sure I'm dead here. If I'm not dead here, I don't know what's happening. I'll be happy, but that'd be crazy. I think it just goes to show that today's gonna be a crazy trading day. It's just a crazy trading day. I mean, I could try to hold this all the way up here, but at this point, I feel like it's gonna break out to the upside. At this point, it's probably gonna break out to the upside, I think. Yeah. Strong bull bar, I'm out. Yeah, okay. I'm fine with that loss. This is unfortunate. It's like a bajillion. Jeez. I'm okay with that loss. It's just so unfortunate. I'm okay with this loss, but that's just really crazy price. I'm just telling you, this is like crazy price action right now. I'm like pretty sure it's gonna get back to the top of this trading range now. Pretty certain. I mean, if it doesn't, it doesn't. I just don't know. Hello? Crazy, 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 crazy. Price action is absolutely just bonkers. What is going on? All right, I'm down 1,000. Should call it a day. I should just call it right here, to be honest. I'm down $1,000. Should call it here because it's obviously very terrible price action. Very obvious it's really bad. I should call it here, to be honest. Mm-hmm. Coming down. That's absolutely insane. On. This is absolutely insane. Lower highs, maybe lower lows. I'm considered how scaling in, but I kind of sold at the bottom of the trading range. I was thinking it was gonna break out. I thought it had a really good chance, but I ended up holding it a lot more than I wanted to. But it's not that much. Like, come on, which was this? 15 points. Eh. This is absolutely vile. This price action. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. Well, fair enough. Fair enough. I mean, buy low, sell high, scalp. That's the idea right now, isn't it? Isn't that the idea? Buy low, sell high, scalp. I should be scalping near the top here, but I'm so keen on big mamas here, especially on the second attempt. I'm going to try one more time. It's a really dumb trade. Should buy low, sell high, scalp, but I'm going to try big mama one more time. It does give it to me, especially with this price action. It's actually the worst time to try this, but we're trying anyways. We will try anyways. Okay, very cool. It's just trickling. It's trickling, pandas. Like this is the definition of grinding, choppy, just absolutely filthy price action. You should turn your computers off, enjoy your weekend, to be honest. Like, I'm down 1,000, fight to live another day type situation at the moment. That's what it should be, but we'll try this one more time. What's my ES looking like? My ES didn't even test the previous. Oh, feels like I can short on the E-mini. Still long here, see what happens. Interesting. Very cool. Right. Yeah, buy low, sell high scalp. That's what they're still doing. And it's making lower lows, lower highs. Disgusting right now. Jeez, look at that. I would have been A-okay in my trade if I just kept scaling in, I guess. I mean, dare I? Dare I, pandas? Dare I? Dare I? You know what I'm daring to do. Just to buy here. But again, the issue is now we didn't reach the top of the trading range, and we're back at the bottom, which means there might be some selling pressure. Just like here, we didn't reach the bottom of the trading range. We came back to the top, creating basically a cup and handle type situation here. Same idea. It's cup and handle, but inversed. Yeah, but inversed. Lower high. Do I like this lower high? Honestly, I'm all sorts of confused at the moment. All sorts of confused. Ooh, strong bear bar ending near its low. Maybe this is the short. Like I was trying to go short here. Maybe this is the actual short. Should have been looking for. Shall we dance? We don't get our setup. It might just run away. It could just run away from us, which is no problem. If it runs away, it runs away. If we do get our setup, man, this is looking nice, pandas, for a nice juicy setup here if we get it. This could be like A plus. I mean, if I want to try one time, this will be it. If I'm gonna do it one time, 4 contracts, this one will be it right here. Hello. Second entry long for me in higher time frames. No longer interested in this. The break, the reversal is too strong coming back into a trading range. Now, can I still go short? Possibly. But now my setup will be a fail second entry long on the higher time. This is a good looking signal bar. This is a good looking trade. I think I gotta try. Let's try. Let's dance. Possible bottom of the trading range back to the top of the trading range. Jeez Louise. Explodes without me. It is what it is. Oh boy. I mean, if you want to. If you do that, that's some filthy price action if you do that. Don't do that to me now. Don't even give that to me right now in a time such as this. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. All right. Higher low. Nice push up. Won't even think. If you do this right here, right now, I'm gonna embarrass myself. Don't even think about it. Don't even do it. Don't do it. Don't do that to me. Don't give me the fail second entry long. For me, this would be too hard to pass up. Do not even think about it. Oh boy, it's thinking about it. It surely is thinking about it. Lower highs, lower lows. Ooh, oh, okay. Tricky dicky. Very tricky dicky here. Tricky dicky. Tricky dicky. Full flag. Full flag. What can you do about it? It's above the 20 MA. I cannot take it. It is above the 20 MA. How does one take this trade? It is above the 20 MA. Fail second entry long. It is above the 20 MA. How does one actually take this trade? You can't. You simply cannot take that trade, can you? No way. Oh, it's above the 20 MA. Otherwise, I love it. Otherwise, I love it. It's above the 20 MA. Otherwise, I love it. Lower highs, lower lows, coming off a serious resistance. Trading range day, thinking you might come back to the open, the regular trading hours, which is way, what's right here. Hmm. I mean, this is crazy. This is tough, Candace. All right. It's above the 20 MA. I couldn't take it. Please. Gotta understand. I gotta have a little bit of dignity left. Jeez Louise, there's a new logo. Looks like a bull flag. Usage. Sitting on my paws. A little bit confused. Buy low, sell high scalp could still be the name of the game. Buy low, sell high scalp could still be the name of the game right now. Certainly could still be the name of the game. Buy low, sell high scalp. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. Disgusting. Strawberry bar ending on its low. I mean, I guess that was a trade to take to go short there. Starting to break out now. I don't know, bananas. That's tough. That was tough. The timing on that. It just looked like a buy low, sell high scalp type situation still. Lower highs, lower lows. Currently downtrend, right? Like every high has been lower than the previous high, right? This high, this high, this high, this high. We keep making new lows, so it looks so choppy to me. I don't know. I still think, ooh, what am I thinking now? I don't know. I really wanted this trade. Really wanted this trade. I really wanted to go short here, but I could not. Because it was above the 20 MA. I really want to go short right here, but I could not because it was above the 20 MA when it triggers. But I like that short. I certainly do. Trade. Highs, lower lows. First entries are working now to make money. Okay, fair enough. I guess I gotta go short here. Yeah, I don't know. Too hard for me. Too hard for me to decide. It does feel like a downtrend, but big bear bars usually big breakout bars have no follow through on training range days. But there's a big breakout bar here. Usually has no follow through. It's the level right here. Hmm. Could be the most obvious short to take, but I'm confused. I got some whiplash. I got some neck pain because of my whiplash. Fair enough. Big push down. Yeah, I mean that's a risk. Bear Bar needs to know all the 20 EMA. Thought he could potentially be trading range there. Probably gonna fill the gap now. This might be a big bear bar here. Nobody knows now. Nobody knows. Look at this reversal. So sick. All I know is you don't go long. A situation like this. First entry, still making bamboo. Let's see if it's still the case. Also, Ross caught it, made 1200. Congratulations. You're literally the opposite of me. I'm negative 1200, you're positive 1200. Obviously, you did better. You did way better. Mm-hmm. First entry, you're gonna make a new low? Probably, because I'm not going short. You probably will make a new low. You might go short, you won't make. Okay, fair enough. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Second entry short is the question. Breakdown step situation. Oh, I hate it. I abhor this trade. Mm, Uh, fine. I absolutely hate it. I think I'm gonna reverse it if it does reverse. I'm gonna reverse my own trade, but for the potential, because we're in a downtrend, I'm gonna try. Come at the 20, terrible signal bar. Right. Makes it easy for me to decide what to do. I'm no longer interested in going short here. You gotta love when it makes it easy for you. You gotta love it when it makes it easy for you. Very seldom do you know what to do 100% of the time. Not 100%, but it's very seldom you know what to do at 100%. um, confidence. And here is to do nothing. V bottom, of course. Of course, V bottom. Why wouldn't you V bottom? I should be thinking V bottom right there. Of course. Who wouldn't? You gotta be a dum dum not to think there was a V bottom waiting right there. Of course there was a V bottom. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Of course there's a V bottom there. Why? Why wouldn't it just V bottom? Why? Why else would it do anything different? You gotta be an idiot to think that V bottom wasn't waiting right there. You must be stupid. So dumb. Of course V bottom. Jeez, look at this monster push over. What's happening? No entries, nothing, nada. Lower highs, lower low still. Who knows? Lower highs, lower low still. Who knows? Nobody knows. The timing of this is near impossible. Breakdown, retest. Hmm. So many bar, second entry long with a 5 minute chart about trigger. I don't know what to do. We got no setup on the 500 tick. It's just tearing to the upside. What do you do here? Pullback's very small. It's a pairs. Second entry long. 5 minute chart. Feels like I just short. 500 tick chart. We don't even trigger the second entry long on the 5 minute chart. We don't even trigger it. I think I just take the hit here, pandas, unfortunately. We'll hold it a little bit, let it cook. We'll just let it cook just a little bit, pandas, you know what I mean? We'll let this cook a little bit. We'll let this cook a little bit here. Shall we? Shall we let it cook a little bit here? Just a little bit? Just let this cook a little bit here. What is that? Hmm. Okay. Nice little spike up. I gotta really scalp here, huh? I shouldn't be swinging at all. That's a strong push up here. Any bit of follow through would be nice. I'll take on the next reversal down. I'll protect my profits on the next reversal down, whatever. You hate to see it. You hate to see it like this. You hate to see it like this. Jeez. You hate to see it like this. I'm gonna come out break even on this trade. You hate to see it, but it's gonna happen. Pandas. What do we have here? Pandas. Pandas. What do we have here? Strong bull party on tides. Break out a little bit more. One time. One time for your mind. Hold. Okay, I'll come out at the first reversal. Yeah, wow. So stupid. It is sick. So sick. So sick. It's not going anywhere. So sick. It's not going anywhere, but I'll just come out. The next reversal, I'll just come out. Whatever. Okay, I'm out. I mean, I protect some bamboo. I protect a little bit of bamboo. I mean, it's so dumb. So dumb. Like, I gotta protect some bamboo there. So dumb. What can you do about it? It's just stupid. It's absolutely just filthy price action, but I gotta protect a little bit of bamboo there. Like another reversal down, you have to consider that might come out take you out break even at the very least. Two reversals. It doesn't go very far either. The big wick. So it's not looking very strong anymore. So you gotta protect a little bit of profits. You gotta protect a little profits here, in my opinion. And I still got a runner, so we'll see. But please, like this game's stupid. Yeah, that's not what you want to see. Yep, yep. That's why you protect your profits, Pandas. That's why you protect a little bit of bamboo there. You gotta protect some bamboo along the way up on that stupid price action for the very reason that this might happen. This might happen right here. Jeez Louise. Little top here, lower highs, lower lows. Still so dumb, so stupid, so dumb. This price action. I should have just scalped it at 1,000. What was I thinking? I had 10 points in the bag, but you know what? Fails second entry short, second entry long, or fails second entry short power takes our second entry long with a good signal bar on the 5 minute chart. I mean, I'm hoping new high, but on a day like today, why would I even think that would be possible? So dumb. It's a big old trading range. It's, what is this? This is scary. This is a scary looking pattern here. To me, it looks like a bear flag, so I'm trying to go short here. What? That's sick. That is sick. This is sick. Buy low, sell high scalp. Still, I think is the name of the game. This is why you protect some profits right here, Pandas. For the very reason something stupid like this happens, that's why you protect your profits right there. I still think you buy low, sell high scalp. Question is where though? Where do you, I guess down here? You will buy down here? We'll be making lower lows, lower highs. Still in a downtrend. Mm, I don't see it. I just don't see it. Lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. Let's get ready to rumble. I'm so confused. I truly am confused right now. I'm truly confused. I'm confused out of my cabeza right now. Very confusing. I'm just watching. I'm a spectator here, just like you guys. This is tough. It's like one of those days where, I mean, how much EV do you really have on days like today, to be honest? You're better off just stop trading. Like you have higher EV, literally not trading on days like today. This is like a negative EV day. Lots of overlapping bars, no follow through on big bars. In and out of 20 MA. Lots of dojis. Look at the 5 minute. It's just completely sideways. So sick. So sick. Jeez. What do you do here? Go short? Possibly. Ah, no. One of those sell high scalp. The problem is in the 5 minute, we're clearly above the 20 MA. We have been for a while. The price action is telling us we're in trading range. Mm-hmm. So much conflicting information. Usually means you sit on your paws. Mm-hmm. Switch to scalp mode. I'm gonna scalp 10 points only from now on, no matter what. I'm gonna look for big swings. We're gonna look for buy low sell high scalp, 10 points. That's my scalp size. On the Nascraq. Interesting. I'm just gonna go short here, see what happens. Interesting. Yeah, they pushed down. Interesting. Still confused. I want to go short then, I think. Mm, do I? Yeah, this. I hate to do it like this. How far are these really going? Are we looking for a new low? Possibly fill the gap in the regular trading hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlap bars in a row. Right here. Hmm, no clue what to do. Sitting my pause. Truly have no idea. Hope you guys are doing better than me. I'm down 860. It's not the worst day, but definitely not my best day. Lower high, far away from the 20 MA. Oh, that's a nice push down. Fair bar. Ending on its low. Hmm. What is this? And keep on doing this. This down. Let's see. I mean, I mean, just for a scalperoo here, can we get a little scalp here? It's going to be very difficult to even get a scalp here. I even want to let this cook. Like, isn't it buy low, sell high scalp type situation? I even want to like let this go much higher. Okay, okay, cool. Completely sideways. Cool. Can I make a new low here? Hard time making new lows and chop me up. Jeez. I do here? I'm gonna trade this between this. I might trade days today. I can't go with the trend. I can't go against the trend. I cannot win on days like today. I need a wide stop. So anyway, I'm trying to scalp to the clear previous pivot low, making new lows, new lows, lower highs. Thinking we're gonna make a new low here, but continue the pattern. Like, how much do I really want to let this cook? I don't really want to widen my stop loss that much here, to be honest. It has continue like currently has five completely overlapping bars in a row when I try to go short here. I mean, what the heck? What else does it do? No, no, no. I lose, whatever. I'm just trying to scalp. I'm just trying to scalp like 10 points here. What in the world is it that difficult? I knew those created. Created, that's all I want. It's gonna reverse hard here. Is that what you're trying to do? Point scalp. I need more than that, I think. I can't even hold it. I can't even hold it for a few ticks here. It's too difficult. It's too confusing. Too many overlapping bars, like 40,000 overlapping bars in a row. Just can't do it. Yeah, that breaks down. Tough. Really tough for me. Really tough for me. I do get my 10 points, but it's not in that trade anymore. I don't get 10 points. I get very close to 10 points. Regardless, I think I'm not break even. Regardless, I think I'm out break even right there. Regardless what happened. Crazy tough. Crazy, crazy tough. Wow. Finally get the move down. Only after a deep pullback. Unnecessarily deep pullback. Now we get the move down. Barrels so high scalp. Downtrend. In a downtrend. Of the trend. I mean, it finally makes the move. What can you do? Am I holding through all of this? Am I holding after the strong bull bar ending near its high? Am I holding through that? Possibly, but it's tough. Very tough. This is what is this? The low of day today so far. We haven't got there yet. We're close though. Low of day. If we're truly in a trading range, this is where you would technically buy. You would buy somewhere here if you're in trading range. Big old trading range. Big old head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We should draw some sort of trend line and look like something like this. Something like this, maybe. I don't know, something like that. I don't know. It is what it is. Really get the move after I get stopped out. But Jeez Louise. How tough is it to hold through that? I don't know. I mean, technically, I should be going long here. Technically, I should be going long here. But it's a crazy downtrend, and it's hard to go long when your breakout is this strong. We're down 820, not the worst, not the best. I'd rather be up 820. I'd rather be up 2,000. What can I say? You know what? Buy those high scalp. You buy here. Bull scalpers are buying here, and they made 10 points. So more money than I've made in a while. Just scalping right there. Technically, like I said, we should be scalping there. We should be buying. This is so ridiculous. Technically, should have bought there, but jeez, who's doing that? Who's actually doing that? Hmm. Well, this is annoying. What can I say? Very annoying. It's going up. Guess what, Pence? It's going up. That's my analysis. That's my price action analysis. The market is going up. Can you get any more pure price action analysis than that? Market going up. Ah, it's a move. It's definitely a move. Right? Huh. Second to short? Or fail second to short at the bottom of the channel here. Hmm. Hmm. What to do here? Okay. Whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens, happens, Panos. Bye bye. Really bye bye. Really bye? Whoa. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Oh my goodness, what's going on? Oh my, so many errors. What's happening here? I'm so confused. Okay, I'll take the hit, whatever. I'm sorry. I made the mistake. Oh my gosh. What's happening? Such a strong move to the upside. I thought we were gonna get another leg up, but we're dead. Cool. Cool. So confused. Not the pandas. I don't know what's happening here. I saw such a strong move up. I was like, all right, let me jump into momentum. And wham! Sorry, no money for you today. I don't know. I'm not going long. I don't know what's happening here. I'm actually very confused. Going short, I guess. One more trade for one more trade just for kicks and giggles here. Let's see. Where to get it? Gonna get another thing. Goes long without us. Oh, no setups, no nada. I might get it here, whatever. We'll try. Just pull back. I might, I don't know. Just jump in without actual setup here. It's so obviously gonna go down. It's so obviously gonna go down, right, Pandas? I just go in without the setup, or do I wait patiently? Wait patiently is the answer. There it is. All right, Pandas. Thoughts and prayers. Here we go. Last trade of the stream. Thoughts and prayers, Pandas. Jumbo Martin on time. I do not care. The bottom. Really that strong, huh? What? Uh, oh, oh my gosh. Really annoying. Oh my gosh. I'm getting owned. Why on days like why every day? Why every day does this happen to me? Why? I try again. But I try one more time. Oh my gosh, I gotta stop. 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 This is really messing me up here. It's like really messing me up. I mean, is this tracking to explode to the upside? Call me crazy. I don't sell high scalp. That's what I'm doing. Pain, no gain. Hmm. Hmm. So tilted. I'm actually so tilted right now. It's actually so frustrating. God. So difficult. The pullbacks are so deep. Raw channel. Mhm. Right. Depends. I think I'm gonna call this a day. I already know what kind of day it's gonna be. It's just not gonna be a good day for me. We're gonna take a big hit here, and we're going to continue to trade these next week because this is gonna be an absolute terrible day. I already know it, and it's gonna be a lot of tricks. I've already been tricked and chopped up so many times today. And I've gotten out of good trades. It's just like it shakes like the market's shaking me out too many times as well, and all my good trades, and I just know what kind of day it's gonna be. I'm down 2K. It sucks. Sucks. I know it sucks. But we're gonna call it there. All right, Pans. I'll see you guys bright early on Monday. Hope to see you guys there. And as always, have cheering up. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.